starting the awards in about 6 minutes, so Symphony. Man, I was talking so you guys cut me off with your drumming. I'm gonna cut your drumming off.
They were cutting you off, girl. Cutting you off.
All right, what I was gonna say was we're doing the awards, so please avoid coming in this area. Okay? Now I'm done, drummers. Go ahead. right, thank you, Symphony of Drums. We're gonna start awards, and then for awards, we're just gonna have house drummers do the drumming for the placers. Okay? So we're gonna get started. We're gonna bring our judges out, and then house drummers. If you wanna, I don't know if you want to bring your stuff on stage. We're gonna get started with our awards. Thank you.
That she's beautiful inside. Cause you can see the truth and no realness to her eyes. And if she gives you butterflies, she's the kind that'll always be there by your side. And listen to me now, I'm so deep in love. I think I found the one to spoil with a lifetime support of kisses and hugs. I'm pretty sure I found the one. She's my moon, my star, my sun. She gives me life. Cause I'm in love, Cause I'm in love, Cause I'm in
going and rolling, okay? So we're gonna start. We have an announcement. This.
What's up, everybody? Everybody, aloha, aloha, yarana. First, I want to say congratulations to all the dancers. Dancers, give yourself a round of applause. Also, we have to give a big round of applause to all of your teachers. All the pupu'ori, give your teachers a round of applause. Our costume designers, a lot of mama and mana'o. We're going to get into these things, yes? My young ones, give a round of applause for your family that helps support your dance life. Wow, kids. You want to squishy, you should clap a little louder. Also, everybody, please a round of applause for our MCs. Not an easy job. And please, a big round of applause for our dance family, Club Baile Hua, under the direction of Kumu Hula and Silori. Shout out to our vendors. You guys help make this experience feel like a village. So just shout out to all the vendors. Also shout out to our Rise of Fenua family. This is our sweater family, and they are a Tahitian family that are here doing just as important work as you are dancing up here. We can have technique into our hotel anaparimas, but the work that they're doing is so beautiful, you guys, because it's contributing towards the bigger picture, yes? And what is the bigger picture for here? I popped out, you guys, I said picker. What's the bigger picture? What the heck? I'm from Anaheim, what's going on here? The bigger picture is that all of our love and our respect and our support go back to these islands in the South Pacific, yes? So Rise de Fenua, shout out to you guys for always bringing the community together, and that's what it should be about, our Tato or Kako mentality. So to Rise de Fenua. Then before we do our awards, I want to share a little project with you that we all can enjoy. It's not associated with a group or an event, it's music. How many of you guys love music? Let me hear you make some noise. What the? I hope so. This is a dance competition. I'm a musician first. You cannot dance without the music. So shout out to all my drummers. Yes. If you like island reggae, you like island country, island reggae, Polynesian music. I'm very honored to say myself and then my partner Kayla Malingi, Lauren Johnson, and Dwayne The Rock Johnson. We are executive producing an album that drops July 31st. Yes. It is a high album. So how many of you guys like Beyonce? She's not on it. How many of you guys like Beyonce? Okay. Beehive? Yeah, no, she didn't return her call. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding, guys. So when we have a movie like The Lion King, she brought out The Gift, an inspired album by, in sponsorship and in correlation with Disney music. Well, Moana, not only the movements, the ocean, but the people. We have an inspired album where we're sharing the voices of the Pacific. We have the movie Moana, hope you saw it. Yeah, shout out to all my dancers that auditioned for that. Thank you for supporting that. But this album is the love letter to the Moana as in the ocean. So we have artists. Where's Kayla? Kayla, can you remind me of these artists real quick? We got artists, and if you like island music, here we go. We have artists such as Stan Walker. Who likes Stan Walker? Oh, what? I'm doing it right now. Here we go. Stan Walker, also from Aotearoa. Who likes Aradna? Aradna, make some noise. Yep. We got Dinah Jane representing the Kingdom of Tola. And we also have Coming Kings. How many Kings fans in the house? There you go. We have Fia. We just played Fia earlier. Fia's on our album. We have Josh Tatofi. Josh Tatofi. We definitely should know who Josh Tatofi is, yes? We have Ion Tongi and Palafua on our track. Yeah, you can keep clapping. Yeah. We have also our Maui, our demigod, Dwayne Johnson. He has his track on there. And it is Not You're Welcome. There's another track. Who else we got? Tanel Spawn Breezy. Any Tanel Spawn Breezy fans? Okay. Period. We also have, we have Maoli, our island country reggae fan. We got Maoli on this. Who else? And then family, I'm really excited to share this because we come from this community, your community. We have a track coming out where myself, Kayla, produced the track, and it is a dance track. Now, it's not with your traditional instruments, there's a little bit of swag in a beat. It's step, 2, that's not their track, but that was the vibe. For myself and Kayla, we really wanted one track that was all in our Polynesian language to honor our ancestors and our native tongue. On this track, we have my brother Mevinga Lufau. We have, thank you all to you. Those are probably my cousins. Thank you. Thank you. Representing the Cook Islands, how many of you like Rex? RTA Rex. Yeah, okay, go on TikTok, figure out who it is, okay. And then also we have representing the islands of Samoa, Apatia Thompson from our Happy Friday. Yes. We are representing Aotearoa. We have our brother Chester Cohen. And representing Aotearoa. And last but not least, representing the Kingdom of Hawaii, we have Kaumaka Iwa Kamako Ole on our track. Family, this track was made for you guys. It's a good track to warm up to, a hype song before you compete. So I hope you enjoy it. Comes out July 31st. Thank you for letting me have this VOD this time in this space. Round of applause for our judges too. that was my announcement, fam.
That was good. That was good.
Yeah.
I have a little just your friend, the rock.
Oh, yes.
Can I say you're my friend of your friend?
Yeah, and actually for any of my Polynesian lovers, any of my Samoans in the house, we actually call him Seuli. Dwayne Johnson, he actually received his title in Samoa in 2004. For those of us who know, you know. And if you don't know, it's okay, ChatGPT it. It's very important.
Seuli.
Seuli. Yeah.
Alright.
Me, I'm just Tiana from the block. Tiana representing the Southern California vibes. This is Kayla from Malini representing Long Beach. Summertime in the LBC. You all know it, don't I?
But congratulations, Moana.
Oh,
Watching
thank you.
live. Yes, give her a
There's a lot of dance community members in that. And hey, okay, the DJ heard it. Turn that up. Don't make us see walk over here.
Alright, what day?
No,
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Hot time. Hey, turn the music up. Come on now.
All right, we have some words from Kumu. Lori herself, so let's give her a round of applause. She's always in the tent, so it's hard to see her.
Hello everyone, mahalo malulua once again for joining our family reunion here at Malahena 2026. Have a special presentation. Special kind of sad, but rather right. This would not be possible if it wasn't for my goddaughter, Marissa Canez. She's a staff member here. Marissa! She's our hookup, as you could say. But that will be her last one with us, but she is moving to SoCal. Yeah. They get her now. And we just want to thank her for all the years that she's brought us here, starting in the gym, where it's extra hot. But now we're outside, but it's still extra hot. But if it wasn't for her, we wouldn't have this space for all of us to share what we all like to do together. So Marissa, on behalf of your godmother, your halal family, everyone here, mahalo maruru is. We love you. Thank you, Coach Marissa. No crying, no crying. That's tomorrow. Oh.
All right, we're gonna start the awards. Drummers, want to hit us with a quick beat real quick? Category. There are so many girls, we have 5 places. Yes, okay. In 5th place, from Pupuori, Matahani, number 23, Kalia Brown.
And in 4th place from Honu Itie, number 11, Maya Leeson.
In 3rd place, from Te'ihi o Te Aranui, number 27, Aliza Diaz.
And in 2nd place, from Notehere, number 14, Kinsley Ta.
Let's let them come onto this stage. You have to go this way, and you need to cut through the... No, Uncle, they can cut this way. Okay, you're making them go farther. They can cut through the...
Stay for the picture.
All right. And in 1st place, from To'erao Manurahi, number 22, Ariel Ganson.
picture. Congratulations,
There you
guys. All right, moving on to 5K Tamarawa beginner. First place from Otahi Marama, number 46, CJ Aquino.
Congratulations. Go and take a picture with the judges.
Did you just find out about your tattoo?
We're going into the 5 to 8 intermediate tamahine. In third place, from Hotua Ori, number 47, Alani Cortez Oropeza.
And in second place, from Hui Tarawa, number 50, Ekena May Dominguez.
And in first place in the 5 to 8 tamahine intermediate category, from Otea Abi, number 48, Amalani Inoue.
All right, moving on to 5K Tamahine Advance. In third place, from Teora Roa, number 58, Arya Joe Davis.
In second place, from Manuia, number 56, Kelani Macarones.
And in first place from Notehere, number 52, Sarah Manuel.
Congratulations to our 5 to 8 tamahine. All right, now we're going into our 5 to 8 advanced tamarawa. In first place from Teorama, number 59, Jude Angeles.
Congratulations. Moving on to 9 to 12 Tamahine beginner. In fifth place from Hotua Ori, number 66, Jory Bowie.
In fourth place from Rahiti, number 75, Elena Sarmiento.
And in third place from Tepura Ote Rahura'a, number 87, Lucy Coronado.
In second place from Halamakana, number 82, Marlo Hicks.
And in first place from Notehere, number 97, Isabel Enrich.
All right, go and take a picture. Eight. We're gonna go into the 9 to 12. We're gonna double check something, but we're gonna do the 9 to 12 beginner Tamaroa. All right, let's get a picture. We're gonna go to our 9 to 12 intermediate Tamahine category. In third place from Eho Nuitie, number 112, Lea Chelsea Zambrano. In second place from Hotua Ori, number 124, Ava Zimmerman. And in first place in our 9 to 12 intermediate Tamahine from To'era Manura, number 121, Kyla J. Blackman. Congratulations to our 9 to 12 intermediate Tamahine. Moving to our 9 to 12 advanced Tamahine, another large category, so there are 5 places. In fifth place, from Makamai Melia o Polynesia, number 125, Emilia Ante. In fourth place, also from Makamai Melia o Polynesia, number 148, Reese Tran. In third place, from Manuia, number 133, Rihanna Kokira. In second place, from Kawaile Hua Hula Ohana, number 151, Kalia Landayan. And in first place, in the 9 to 12 advanced Tamahine, from Makamai Melia, Polynesia, number 134, Kayla Rose Ricardo.
Moving on to 9 to 12, Tamaro Advance. First place from Manuia, number 153, Owen McDonald. on to 13 to 15, Tamahine Beginner. In 5th place, from Teorama, number 171, Kamea Magnus Buchan.
In 4th place, from Cavale Hua Hula Ohana, number 168, Ava Estranero.
And in 3rd place, from hold on, pause.
All right, our 13 to 15 beginner Tamahine in 5th place, Kamea Benges Buchan, number 171. In 4th place, Ava Estranero from Cavalihua, number 168. Please hold. DJ, can we get some music, please?
I'm sorry, just give us a minute, okay? Thank you so much.
I've met this girl from the country. She wants to know everything that's about me. Are you single? What is your age? She's kinda hesitant cause everybody plays the game. But each of you are so surprised. I was a stranger and you tell me what about me. Now can't be just told, just take a walk. 1 minute and you will see. Oh, Lord, I did it right there. I can tell by your eyes you wanna swing my way. Your love that will mistake. Come on, wine with me now, baby. But she knows I got the remedy, the real thing, not the necessity. I need a lifetime lover, not a nighttime lover. Not regret, promise to be yours. Don't be scared, don't need to live yours. I need a lifetime lover, not a nighttime lover.
For you down to ride.
have you left my side? 'Cause you know me better than I know myself. Always putting others before yourself. You've grown in my ways and one, and I'm so, so proud of you. We've been broken down, rose from the ground together. Found God again in the midst of pain, and held me through it all. Thank you for being my person. Your arms wide open, helping me to love again. Thank you for being my shoulder, listening closer, trusting you with everything. I like the way you shaking that thing, but if you wanna, you can break it down this way. Gonna give it to you like nobody else can. I'ma give you a touch of a real man. It's your body got me feeling like a naughty. By the way that you're moving, I was thinking for Molly. But now that I got your attention, let me ask you one question. Why you playing with my emotions? Can't you see a new future?
All right. So we're going to be using the direct score sheet instead of, I'm just reading papers. Okay. So I have with the actual, so no one thinks there's any funny business. There's points on here, and this is what they use to write everything up. Okay. So we're going to be doing our 13 to 15 beginner tamahine. In 5th place, Kamea Bengus Buchan from Ehonutie, number 172. In 4th place, Ava Estranero from Cavite Hua, number 168. In 3rd place, Kiel Fernandez from Ehonutie, number 184. And in 1st place, in the 13 to 15 beginner category, Viviana Dodds from Hotua Ori, number 183. Nice. All right, let's get a picture. In our 13 to 15 intermediate category, we have 4 places. In 4th place, Naomi Mahia, number 129. (13 to 15 intermediate. In 3rd place in our 13 to 15 intermediate vahine, Izzy Johnson from Manuya, number 186. In second place, Audra Respicio from Makamai Melia o Polynesia, number 189. And in first place, in the 13 to 15 intermediate Vahine, Leilana Aurelio from Manuya, number 191. Let's get a picture. We apologize. This is the largest attendees and participants we've had. 382 for a whole weekend is a lot of dancers. It's a lot of work behind the scenes, and we are all doing the best we can. So please just have grace, give grace, and we're all here for a good time and for the same reason, right?
Yes, yes. We appreciate it. Thank you so much.
All right. We're now going into our 13 to 15 intermediate Dane division. In second place, Aiden So Clavejo from Makamai Melia o Polynesia, number 199. And in first place, in the 13 to 15 intermediate Dane division, Haven Swingon, number 198. Congratulations.
Good job, boys.
We are going into the 13 to 15 Advanced Vahine division. This was also a large category, so we do have 4 places. In fourth place, Kavena Rain from Te'ea o Tekurama, number 222. In third place, Aaliyah Herrera from Notejere, number 212. In second place, Tea Contreras from To'era Manurahi, number 219. Oh, there she is. Okay. And in first place, in our 13 to 15 Advanced Vahine division, Kailana Mitchell from Lake Polynesia, number 208. all the large categories. We had to give 4 or 5 places. We have to recognize all the hard work. Congratulations to everyone so far. We are now going into our 16 to 18 beginner vagina division. In 3rd place, Grace Movie from Norte Jere, number 229. In 2nd place, Jada Torado from Oteapi, number 237. And in 1st place, in the 16 to 18 beginner vagina division, Malia Gomez from Urahao Movie, number 235. In our beginner 16 to 18 Dane division, in 3rd place, Eddie Coria from Matahani, number 239. In 2nd place, Kainoa Lopez from Ehonu UTN, number 238. And in 1st place, in the 16 to 18 beginner Thane division, Krish Rad from Otavina, number 240. Moving on to our 16 to 18 intermediate vagina division. In 3rd place, Kira Wing from Te Pura Otera Hura'a, number 243. And in 2nd place, Bella Rosette from Cavallo Hua, number 253. And in 1st place in the 16 to 18 intermediate vagina division, Maxine Montero from Manuia, number 245. Congratulations. Take a picture. moving on to our 16 to 18 Advanced Vahina Division. Another large category, so we do have 4 places. In 4th place, Ilana Reyes from Norte Jerez, number 262. In 3rd place, Zoe Kyler Medrano from Ha'ai, number 254. In 2nd place, Cadence Claro from Makamai Melo, Polynesia, number 252. And in 1st place in the 16 to 18 Advanced Vahina Division, Sophia Brewster from Korea, Otekurama, number 263.
All right, good job, ladies.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Don't forget your photo.
All right, we're going into our 16 to 18 Advanced Dana Division. In 3rd place, John De Los Santos from OTAP, number 268. In 2nd place, Aiden Daco from Caballo Hua, number 269. And in 1st place in the 16 to 18 Advanced Dana Division, Nole Manawas from Otea Api, number 270.
Hey, all right.
Congratulations.
Good job, guys. Picture.
We're moving on into our 19 to 24 Beginner Vahina category. In 3rd place, Alana Dela Cruz from Canal number 285. In 2nd place, Kailea Miranda from To'era Manurahi, number 281. And in 1st place, in our 19 to 24 Beginner Vahina Division, Natalie Shaw from Urahao Nui, number 271.
Congratulations.
Going into our 19 to 24 intermediate vagina division. In third place, Kiana Kaulupali from Otahimarama, 297. In second place, Jaden Ildefonso from Ta Eritiai, number 288. And in first place in our 19 to 24 intermediate vagina division, Ariana Olander from Manuia, number 291. Going into our 19 to 24 advanced vagina division. In third place, Sabrea Walker from Tepura Oterahuraa, number 306. In second place, in the 19 to 24 advanced vagina division, Nevea Angel Escario, independent, number 299. And in first place, in our 19 to 24 advanced vagina division, I'm sorry I mispronounced the name, Soleil Valdez from Tevaka, number 311. Please correct me when you come up. I'm not know how to say your name.
All right, moving on to 19 to 24 Tana Intermediate. In first place, Jacob Ossie from Taere Tiai, number 334.
place, Nathan Solorio from Hot Eye number 315. Oh, picture. Congratulations. We're moving on to our 25 to 34 beginner Vahina division. In third place, Shivangi Bardwaj from Urahanui number 316. In second place, Erica Totanes from Ehonuitie, number 319. And in first place, in our 25 to 34 beginner Vahina division, Maya Montgomery from Lake Polynesia, number 323. Take a picture. Picture. We're going to our 25 to 34 intermediate Vahina division. In third place, Mia Pinera from Teorama, number 330. In second place, Catherine Yanagasio from Vaipuna Notehere, number 328. And in first place in our 25 to 34 intermediate Vahina division, Christine Fang from Manuia, number 329. We're going to our 25 to 34 advanced Vahina division. In third place, Pearly Shao Fanua from Ehonuitie, number 354. In second place, in our 25 to 34 advanced Vahina division, Charlize Leila Escario, independent number 336. drum.
One more.
Let's wait till they're all up here.
Deal. You're fired.
And in first place, after this one,
First place.
25 to 34 advanced vahine goes to Dana Montgomery from Lake Polynesia, number 337.
Now you may drum. Hey, good job, ladies.
Going into our 25 to 34 advanced Tane division. In second place, Sammy Rodrigo Hill Jr. from Urahalmuni, number 358. In first place in the 25 to 34 advanced Tane division, Jared Meneses from Manuia, number 357. Congratulations. Going to our 35 to 44 beginner vahine division. In first place, Christine Ballesteros from Manuia, number 359. Congratulations. Going into our 35 to 44 intermediate vahine division. In third place, Latina Reyes Nahokaika from Notahena, number 361. In second place, Daisy Darnuvong from Makamai Melia, Polynesia, number 360. And in first place in the 35 to 44 intermediate vahine division, Kayla Barreto from Manuia, number 363.
ladies. Congratulations.
Picture. Going into our 35 to 44 Advanced Vagina Division. In third place, Chrislyn Acosta from Urahawi, number 370. In second place in our 35 to 44 Advanced Vagina Division, Amy Matsukaro from Matorowa, number 369. And in first place in the 35 to 44 Advanced Vagina Division, Jansine Green Mauricio from Manuia, number 365.
Congratulations, good job.
Going into our 35 to 44 Advanced Dana Division. In second place, Nate Badillo from Otahimarama, number 372. And in first place, in the 35 to 44 Advanced Dana Division, Talon Pedregosa from Nahoku, number 373.
Right? Am I right? Good job, guys.
Going to our 45 and up Vagina Beginner Division. In second place, Keahi Hidalgo from Ehonutiye, number 374. And in first place, in the 45 and up Vagina Beginner Division, goes to Jamie Val from Manuia, number 375.
Drummers. Congratulations, good job.
Moving on to our 45 and up Advanced Vagina Division. In third place, Saliana Ewing from Urahanui, number 380. In second place, Iris Avila, also from Urahanui, number 377. And in first place in the 45 and up advanced Vahina division, Elaine Rabanza from Hotua Ori number 378.
Alright, good job, ladies.
Going on to our 45 and up advanced Tane division. In second place, Homer Castillo from Ta'ere Tiai number 381. And in first place in the 45 and up advanced Tane goes to Stefan Manawes from Otea'aki number 382.
Hey,
Congratulations.
good job, Manong.
We're now going into our 16 to 18 Mehura divisions. In third place, Alexis Lerabago from Manila, number 502. In second place, Aaron Kwan from Tepura Oterahu Ra'a. Place, Kaya Selatu from Ha'ai. Jones? Congratulations.
Good job, ladies.
Going into our 19 to 24 Mehura division. In third place, Michaela Wan from Tepura Oterahu Ra'a. In second place, Jada Vita, Independent. And in first place in our 19 to 24 Mehura division, Nevaeh Escario, number 508. Squeeze. Mehuda division. In third place, Elise Gasman from Uda Harmony. In second place, Charlize Escario, number 515. And in first place for the 25 to 34 Mehuda division, Michaela Hisamoto from Lake Polynesia. Those are beautiful Mehudas. Now going into our 35 and up Mehuda division. In third place, Makamai Melia Oponesia, Marianne Ruperto. In second place, Erica Aquino from Manuia. And in first place for the 35 and up Mehuda division, Charity Ofrio Galante from Hotua Ori. We are now entering our overall winners and then special awards. We have an overall Mehuda, which is the highest scoring out of all the age categories for Mehuda. And this year's overall Mehuda winner is Michaela Hisamoto from Lake Polynesia. Please. Congratulations. We are now going to go into our junior overall winners. Our junior overall are 13 to 15 and under, and the level did not matter, was ever the highest scores. Okay, so our junior overall Tamaroa winner is Charles C.J. Aquino from Otahi Marama. making his way over.
Here he is. Here he is. CJ in the house. Let's go, little man.
He was our highest scoring Tamarola. Wait up here, okay? Our junior overall Tamahine.
Good job, CJ.
All right. Our junior overall Tamahine. Kailana Mitchell from Lake Polynesia. Congratulations to our junior overall winners.
That award is taller than him, I think. Good job, CJ.
Our senior overall Tanen. Stefan Manawes from Otea Api. And our senior overall Vahine goes to Saleh Valdez from Tevaka Nui.
Congratulations, guys.
We're now going into our grand champion. The grand champion has the highest average score combined with their ori and their mehura. Okay?
Yes.
All right.
Got it.
So, 2026 Manahere grand champion goes to Michaela Hisamoto from Lake Polynesia.
Drums, please.
trophies were handcrafted by Auntie Tuare's husband. Woo! Very grateful, very appreciative. They're stunning.
They're beautiful.
All right, we're gonna go into our overall group, which consists of the most finalists. And they'll be gifted a pahu tupai. And our overall group is Manuia.
Drums, please.
Congratulations, Manuia. We still have 2 more awards. There are Spirit Awards.
Let me have you in the front.
Let's get their picture.
Judges in the front. In the front. Judges.
So while they're taking their picture, I'm just going to introduce this next award, which is the Randy Heron / Cesar Falcontin RC Drummer Award, which goes to the most dedicated drummer of the weekend, handpicked by Checkervideo staff, members, just being recognized. And our 2026 Drummer Award goes to
Congratulations, group. Good job.
Noah De Jesus.
Noah, you gotta do a solo, bro. He's always helping us. He's fabulous. Good job.
I'm already drinking. Look at that.
And our last award of the weekend, our Angel Alyssa Award, which goes to the Pupu'ori that represents kindness, grace, love, everything that our sister stood for. And it's chosen again by Checkervideo staff that's walking around everywhere and interacting with everyone out there, and they chose this group. So this year's Angel Alyssa Award goes to Halau Makana. Representative from Halamakana Week, you can come get the award, but congratulations for the Angel Spirit Award. Before we let everybody go, if I can have the directors of Hono ETA, Poerava Ote Ari, Rahiti, and Notehere, if you can please see Kumu in the tent. Thank you so much. And also, we do have your score sheets in the tent as well for all the directors or representative from the body. You can go ahead and pick that up as well. Thank you, everyone, to a great weekend. Please clean up your areas before you leave and have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. See you next year. Drive safe, everybody. Maru.
drummers. Thank you, judges. Thank you all. And if you can, please pick up after yourself. We do appreciate it.
They just messed up. I don't know if they messed up. Okay, one more, wait. Oh, it's a video. It's in the YouTube. Ayun. Yeah, auntie. Yeah. Yeah, it's on YouTube. Show your picture.
I know, I like
a lot, Uncle.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Okay. Oh, I missed it. I would do that shit.